I'm Sarah Rowland. We're at the Capital Conference in the Okanagan. Joining us today is Jeffrey Gossain, Vice President of Operations at Atlas Growers. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Sarah.
Tell me about your company. What's your story?
So Atlas Growers is a company that was founded back in 2015. So before the Trudeau government got elected,
Right.
A group of us kind of came together and said it would be a good idea to put an application through to grow medical cannabis. So that's what we did back in November of 2015.
Right.
And it was kind of a slow going process at first. That took a while to get our security clearances, but in July of last year, everything kind of got put, I guess, together, and we did get our clearance. And at that point, we actually, that same day, we broke ground in our facility. We had kind of raised some funds throughout the year before, and put those funds to use, broke ground, and started construction of our state-of-the-art purpose-built facility. So that facility is actually a 38,000 square foot facility right now, and it's complete. Construction is being completed on it right now, and we'll be probably planting seeds in about 4 weeks from now.
What makes Atlas Growers stand out in your sector?
Well, Atlas has always had from the beginning medicinal focus, so we've set out to do that from the beginning. We're not too concerned with legalization. That's happening on October 17th. We will have some product available for the recreational market at a premium level, but right now most of our product is still slated for the medical markets, whether it's nationally in Canada or internationally. To pharmaceutical distributors, that's our focus.
Describe your growth strategy and goals over the next 6 months.
So what we're planning to do is secure supply agreements is very important for us because it gives us kind of a guaranteed sales revenue and allows us to establish relationships with a lot of pharmaceutical distributors. Obviously, seeing that we're probably going to have our cultivation license within the next few weeks, operation of the facility is going to be key for us. We're very confident in our ability to run that facility. We have Jim Hull. He on board as our Vice President of Cultivation. He has 35 years of experience in horticulture.
Wow.
And he's brought a lot to the table in terms of the design of our facility for growing cannabis. He's grown 1,500 plants in his career, so he has a lot of experience in growing plants, that's for sure. Never cannabis, but he can apply a lot of that knowledge to that sector.
Yeah.
So that's going to be really important for us, but also because we're focused medically, we've seen a lot of interest for our product abroad and need to expand our capacity to be able to service those markets. So we're going to be focusing on an expansion on our initial site that we have right now. That will be able to produce our first phase. We can produce tons of cannabis there, but our first phase is going to be able to produce 100 tons of cannabis per year of dried flower. And we have extraction on site, our laboratories on site, and we also are looking at acquiring a stake, or I think that deal is actually done now,
Right.
a 50% stake in a grower on Vancouver Island as well to help with that capacity expansion. So that's going to be a huge part of our focus. And seeing that we're medically focused, we also are starting clinical trials in January, where we're giving our products to a third party that's going to be running those trials for us to test the effectiveness of some of our products for symptoms such as pain relief or other symptoms that we choose to target.
Sounds very promising. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.